Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure coding skills with Treehouse, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin your journey to secure coding skills, first, visit the Treehouse website. Create your account by selecting the sign up option. Choose the plan that best suits your learning needs. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Explore the available tracks focusing on web development or programming. Select a beginner track to start building foundational skills. Begin with an introductory course to understand the basics of coding. Complete the exercises and challenges provided in each lesson. Take note of coding concepts that require additional review. Make use of the discussion forums to ask questions and seek assistance from peers. Set a consistent study schedule to maintain momentum in your learning. Once comfortable with the basics, progress to more advanced courses. Experiment with projects to apply your coding skills in real-world scenarios. Utilize Treehouse's library of resources for additional learning materials. Consider joining live workshops or webinars for interactive learning opportunities. Track your progress through the Treehouse platform to keep motivation high. Engage with the community by collaborating on projects and sharing your experiences. As you gain confidence, start building your own coding portfolio. Deploy mini projects using platforms like GitHub to showcase your work. Stay updated with new courses and technologies offered by Treehouse. Continue practicing coding regularly to reinforce your skills. Remember to celebrate your milestones along the way. Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth in your coding journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.